So I got a package from Bemi and they sent me their new Bemi Zeno AI watch. Look at this, you know? This is a very cool watch, you know? Especially it comes in two different straps. So you just saw the brown one, which is like a brown leather, you know? And there's a second one, which, you know, let me just quickly see. And the second one is the elegant one. So it's kind of like a metal elegance. Let me just take this off. Wow. And packaging of it is actually pretty awful, I'm sorry to say. Bemi, not a great packaging. Okay, now it worked. Look at this. Nice one, very stylish. Very cool one, you know? And this is the watch itself. I like that, you know, the watch faces are obviously adjustable and they have many different watch faces you can choose from. So look, this is the one, or something like that, or something like this. That is nice. It's definitely like a more like a stylish slash classical, which you can obviously, you know, turn into more of an active one if you want to. And I do like it, especially that this is the active series. It has a heart rate and a blood pressure monitoring. It also allows you to connect it to your phone, so you can also connect it through the app, the Bemi Fit app, and actually have the AI capabilities, like, you know, AI voice or the ChatGPT as well. So look, the AI voice, which connects to the Gemini. So for example, I can just tap on it. What is the weather right now in London? Not bad. So I can see it connects with the Gemini with my phone, and also have the option for the AI ChatGPT, so you can have directly right here if you want to, which, you know, I think it is just decent. And obviously there are many different modes. So look, like you can have 25 exercises on it, plus like I think over 100 when you actually use the app. So when you actually go to the exercises right here, boom, and you can choose, you know, the ones that you actually enjoy. I can see that the battery here lasts like 4 to 10 days, depends on the usage. That is decent for a watch. I think it's all right. I see it has this risk to wake, so that means that if I put it on, it does look stylish. Look, it does actually look very stylish, very nice, very elegant. You actually need to you need to raise it to see the time. That is decent. So you cannot really pick it from here because the screen will be black. I just need to actually raise it to see it, which is all right. I think that, you know, for AI watches, it is decent. So this is a 1.43-inch display on this watch, and it has, you know, many different clock faces. So you saw like, you know, 10 clock faces here, but you can choose over 25 on the app as well. And you have that blood pressure monitoring as well. So yeah, that is a very good one. And it has the IP67 water resistant and dust resistant, so that means you can normally just use it, you know, in your daily basis and not worry that something will actually happen with that. But the cool thing is, which I do like, is that it also has a Bluetooth call, so you can actually call someone and pick up the phone call with this. It has a speaker and a microphone, so that is a nice one. I do like it. I do like how sleek it is and how kind of, you know, design looks of it. And obviously you have all the accessories, so you have a docking station to it, like this. It has the USB-A to USB-C adapter, which is pretty cool. And obviously many different options like sleep and activity. So, you know, the basics heart the basic heart options. And obviously those two belts make it, you know, even more kind of, I would say, accessible, approachable. So it comes in three different colors. So this is the black one, the black version. You can also grab it in silver and the gold. And I think it's pretty affordable watch because normally it costs like 52, 53 euros. And I know that they often do a deal for like less than 30 euros. So 30 euros for a smartwatch, which also has AI capabilities and Bluetooth calling. That is a very decent thing. I do like it. I do think that, you know, with, you know, all the functions like a generic like pedometer and stuff like that, and you can even create AI watch faces if you want. So you can create AI watch face and directly set it. It is decent. What do you guys think? Cool. Well, if you like it, I left the link in the description of this video so you can learn a little bit more about Bemi, and thank you so much for sending this to the review. I do think it's one of those cool watches which is, you know, at the same time smart and elegant.
MadTechTalk, tech so fly. Breaking down gear, let's amplify. Sub like, don't miss a thing. Tech reviews with a little bling. We out for now, but stay tuned. More fire tech is dropping soon.